Comedians after cracking jokes.
Lovely.
मैंने कोई जोक नहीं मारा, मुझे तो निकाल दो।
जोक तो मैंने भी नहीं मारा था। मजाक।
ऐसे हार्ट बना ऐसे। Oh, that's it. It's a Gen Z heart.
Oh, I thought this was Gen Z.
No, this is Korean heart.
Fuck man. What happened to this?
This is millennial heart.
Oh no. What about this?
This is broken heart.
Never mind.
हंसदे चेहरे का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि उन्हें कोई तकलीफ नहीं होती।
अगर मैं और समय आपको बस स्टॉप के ऊपर देखे, बिलबोर्ड पे देखे, IPL के ड्यूरिंग देखे, सिनेमा हॉल के अंदर देखे, दिस इज द बिहाइंड द सीन्स ऑफ इट. Can I please tell you last New Year's at 11:59, 12 I was alone.
Yeah, I think that's okay. I don't think there's anything wrong.
Yeah, I was in Australia. So there were grateful that I was in Australia. And there were firecrackers, but the thing is I was alone at that moment, which was sad. I mean, I did celebrate. I'm just saying that moment I was alone. Aage piche had people.
1 second,
but
1 minute.
that 5 minutes of New Year's I was alone. Then I cried.
Because you're in.
Because I was alone. So much pressure these parents put. And my mom is giving me those, I have to start yoga because I can't dance at your wedding anyway. I'm like, what wedding? First find boy, then wedding, then do yoga.
How do we take this? You want like full after take out?
Middle parting, very small middle parting you do. Like this much.
Okay.
And then you go this way.
Go this way. Okay, got it.
So little snatch, but the texture is like hard one. Still fit.
No, I refuse to come to you on your YouTube videos anymore. Last time I came on your video, I was called what? Arrogant? What? Something was saying about me.
She called you a bastard.
Yeah,
Bastard.
on your YouTube channel, and you decided to keep it on the
I
edit.
called him a narcissist.
Oh yeah, that's not any better.
Manipulate.
Buddy, last
Again.
time seeing her on YouTube channel because next set से हम नया stylist लेके आ रहे हैं.
How dare you?
Oh, that reminds me. Sorry, you should know. GPay खोलना please.
This I
Right
have
now.
to, this I have to.
So for everyone to know, there was a party that Saiba and I were attending, which Saiba and I had bet on that I will drink, which I had said I will
He
not.
said I won't drink, and I know JD, so I said balls. Of course you're going to drink, and he said bet laga le. I said laga le because I was this confident. But you have to swear on my head. I came late.
I swear on your head,
didn't
on
drink.
my mother's head, I only was on water that night.
Not a single.
Not
shot
a single shot, not a single drop of alcohol has gone inside me.
till 12 a.m.
No, till for the entire night.
After that,
I had a blood test at 9 in the morning.
That's why.
That's not a thing. That doesn't cut the money out of it. You transfer. You transfer.
This is cheating. You're cheating.
10,000 rupees right now.
क्या सोई नहीं लग रहा?
तू सोया नहीं लग रहा है.
मैं भी नहीं सोया. तू तो रेडी है?
I'm ready. I've been waiting for you समय.
चलना.
समय कटता जा रहा है.
अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट किसने लिखी है उसको फायर करेंगे पहले. बहुत गंदी स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है यार. किसने लिखी? तूने तो लिखी ना?
Of course not.
लग तो ऐसे रहा.
No, fuck off.
भाई.
Where is he?
आप कहाँ से?
Somebody told you.
Where are you from?
नेपाल
Hey, let's go. वहाँ हो गया सब सॉर्ट.
चलता है.
चल रहा है. आपने स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिखी?
नहीं, मैं DA हूँ, एजेंसी क्लाइंट उधर है.
Agency ने लिखी थी.
बहुत गंदी.
He just has
I have to
something
wear
to
some
write
t-shirt ना.
because he wears
Say no
t-shirt.
to गर्मी. Wow.
That's not what you're wearing though.
फिर
The last two options are ठंड रख and ban गर्मी.
ban गर्मी.
Ban गर्मी is a nice one.
See, I am a billboard. Make me wear anything. Give me money.
You're wearing the Sprite green. That's
I'll wear
more than enough.
Mountain Dew green also if they pay me.
Please don't say that thing.
I can't say Mountain Dew. मैं Mountain Dew है क्या? मैं Mountain Dew मिलेगा मेरे को. Mountain Dew.
We have tried at least 35 outfits and none of them have been approved. And now they've given me Samay's t-shirt. Means what? And Samay is 2 hours late on set. No, 1 hour late. Samay ko Samay ki parwahi nahi hai. There was also an option to wear this which has been vetoed. How? And I personally love this t-shirt but it's been rejected. This is such a cute t-shirt. I'm buying this.
Yeah. Thank you.
My goal is that love should cover the world. Indeed, it should.
and tell यार AC के चक्कर में चुड़ैल से तू डर जाएगी. We'll take that, somebody will pass, but the rest of the dialogue will actually be inside.
AC के डर से चुड़ैल से तो डर जाएगी.
Shoo पे ज़्यादा long ले.
मेरी टीम देख, स्टाइलिस्ट, हेयर डिजाइनर, कैमरामैन. मेरी टीम में आया है मेरा लॉयर, मेरा IT. Comedians after cracking jokes.
Sweating.
Saiba after she meets me and Kullu at the same time. Sweat.
I know. Not wet. Don't tell.
You want a fan? Are you feeling hot?
देख रही है? Flex देख रही है? Flex.
अरे
Flex सही है.
you want?
Thank you.
बैटरी बंद हो जाएगी
तो मुझे क्यों नहीं ऑफर किया?
क्योंकि आपको नहीं देना है, आपको सब दिखाना है.
ये कैसी गर्मी है कि मुझे ही पसीने आ रहे हैं. साहिबा
मुझे आ रहे हैं. उनको भी आने हैं. A lot more, huh, guys?
लॉट मोर. कुल्लू को भी ले आओ इस सेट पे तो इसके अपने आप आएंगे बस.
But last time I did a video with him, he threw something at the makeup artist. I have it as food.
Say no to plastic.
Action! And action!
ठंड के लिए यहाँ मैं गटक स्प्राइट गटक ठंड रहा.
Yeah, सही तो लग रहा है.
मस्त लग रहा है.
टीवी पे आएगा.
टीवी पे आएगा.
इसी के monitor.
News channels.
अरे बहुत हम ला देंगे.
No, it'll be there everywhere.
हाँ
You'll
सच
be
में पूछ रहा हूँ.
tired of seeing it.
अरे क्या बात है.
That's what he told me in the point. He's like, after one point, you don't want to say it.
Yeah, that's it.
We already reached that point. What is this? Like an influencer's life. Glamorous on the outside, hollow from the inside.
खोखला. All instructions are wet look, dry look. Ma'am ko wet karo. And that too saying it in front of Samay. The director told Samay, please have some BT look. Like you were frustrated, you're irritated. He's like me when I watch Kullu Saiba vlogs. ये एडिटर मेरा ब्लॉग बन रहा है. ये एडिटर है. यही एडिट. देखो कितनी कूल टीम है. हम जब ब्लॉग कर रहे हैं हम एडिटर को भी साइड में बना रहे हैं.
चिराग, जब अगली बार मेरा नाम आता है एडिट पे और आपसे देखते हो कि मेरे बारे में वाहियात चीजें बोली जा रही हैं, आपको लगता नहीं भाई टू भाई आप एक बचा लो एक बार? साहिबा ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए, ये मोहतरमा है, बड़ी कमीनी है, कुछ भी बोल देती है.
इसको उल्टा कुछ बोलना ही था ना, just to get back at.
हाँ ये रखना. ये रखना. क्या हॉट लग रहा है यार मैं. क्या लग रहा है यार.
तारीफ क्यों कर रहा है?
That's him all the time.
कोई तो कर ले, कोई करता ही नहीं है. You dare put this? I swear I.
Ask him. He's the editor.
चिराग, bro.
I'm sick of people shipping me and pairing me with people. Can I please tell public? मैं सिंगल हूँ, ठीक है. मैं सिंगल हूँ. मैं दुनिया को बताना चाहती हूँ. मैं तुम लोगों को लगता है कि मैं इसके साथ हूँ, शायद इसके साथ हूँ. किसी के साथ नहीं हूँ. किसी के साथ नहीं हूँ. मुझे होना भी नहीं है, ठीक है. So just
I can verify that information. दिन में मेरे को ही 6 बार फोन करती है, तो अभी क्या ही किसी और से बात करेगी ब्रो अभी. Sorry.
just because I'm working with someone, just because I'm spotted with someone, just because I'm friends with someone doesn't mean anything. They're just friends. सबको राखी बांध देती हूँ. You know, I walk. Can I show you something?
You walk with the Rakhi in your.
Walk with the Rakhi.
भाई साहब ये किस लाइन में आ गए आप? ये क्या कर रहे हो?
Always had a Rakhi with me in my wallet. I don't know why.
अताप.
You might think I have other things in my wallet. No, I have a Rakhi. I am that guy.
भाई आपको BTS लेने होते हैं. आप वही लेते हो जो शॉर्ट आ रहा है. जब शॉर्ट नहीं होता है तब ये चिल मारता है. जब शॉर्ट होता है तो ये बंद क्या कर रहा है भाई? बहन का शॉर्ट.
So to face miss him entirely, body wise.
Comedians after cracking jokes.
Lovely.
मैंने कोई जोक नहीं मारा, मुझे तो नहीं मारा।
जोक तो मैंने भी नहीं मारा था।
That is true.
भाई नेपाली में कुछ सिखाओ ना यार।
बाद में
अरे कुछ तो बोलो।
क्या बोलूं भाई,
कोई गाली सिखा दो यार नेपाली।
गाली दे दिया भाई आपको।
क्या बोला है?
Machikne.
ए पिकिना।
Machikne.
माँ चिकने मतलब?
बताता हूँ।
वो सब कुछ
माँ आ गया तो और क्या ही होगा?
चिकनी हो सकती है माँ।
इतना शूट कर लिया है that they said that now I can stay on set and they've set up a bathroom for me. पानी नहीं आ रहा है. By the way guys, Samay and I are shooting a Sprite TVC. We haven't even told you why we are here in Bombay. Samay and I are working after 3 years together. And this TVC you will see for 3 months across lots of assets. That's about it. Sprite Clear Air is not the one because they've changed the tagline to Gatak Sprite, Thandrak Gatak Sprite. I should ask the brand what it is. Thandrak Sprite Gatak. Yeah.
मतलब आप मुझे डॉली जूम दे दो and I'll
It's my web
figure out
series.
which is the part that matches the new guy.
It was also
But okay.
so Netflix. तो मुझसे पहले हो गया है.
Yes sir. मैं आया तेरे बाद, मेरा पैकअप तुझसे पहले.
That is
That's
really-
what happens when you have 7 million subscribers. ये देख रही है? Flex देख रही है? Flex. See you Saiba ji.
See you. I have many more scenes left actually.
Yeah, with Kullu, right? See you. I'll see you next travel soon.
Thandrak.
Take care.
Take care. इतना
Bye.
formal क्यों हो रहा है मुझसे?
Bye, बहन का shot.
You wanted to ask him something, no?
Yes.
He said that you have to rate me, or what did you say? How did it feel?
Like feedback for each other.
Yeah, feedback for each other.
Feedback for each other. Why don't you begin?
Not for me.
Then, oh, Saiba वाले is always number 1.
Camera off होने के बाद कुछ और बोलेगा.
मैं कैमरा में तो अच्छा बोल रहा हूँ ना.
But we are working after 3 years, which is really sweet.
मजाक.
ऐसे heart बनाए ऐसे. Oh.
चल, see you in IPL. किससे बात?
Yeah, that's it. It's a Gen Z heart.
Oh, I thought this was Gen Z.
No, this is Korean heart.
Fuck man. What happened to this?
This is millennial heart.
Oh no, what about this?
This is broken heart.
Never mind.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ।
Got it.
Alright, thank you very much. It's a wrap.
Thank you so much.
Thandrak ho.
Thank you.
अब तुम भी चले जाओ ना.
So please, Sarapakara. Okay, thank you.